Mallard's M-Elevation program helps you create your own preliminary pallet flow system drawings. This video tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Start by clicking the New Project button. The first screen provides fields for the customer's contact information, project number, and name so that they can be saved and used on the elevations. Click Save to save your M-Elevation file. Now select Product Type, Pallet Flow. Scroll to Pallet Input and insert your pallet specifications here. For this example, we will use a 40-inch width, a 48-inch depth, and 55-inch height. Next, select the number of beam levels you will have in the bay. For this example, we will use 3 beam levels. Now select the number of pallets per lane. For this example, we will use 5 pallets deep. Scroll to Specifications Input, select Lift-Off Needed, and change that to 6 inches, which is recommended to provide enough room for forklift access while loading and retrieving pallet loads. You can now make any other needed changes in the Specifications Input box. Next, review the Calculations box to double-check your inputs. Click on the Plan View tab on the top navigation bar to create the plan view according to your project. For this example, we will use a 400-foot area width, 400-foot area length, and 12-foot aisle width. Scroll to the top and select Save PDF and name the file. Now you can view your 4-page M-Elevation file. If there are any issues, you can easily go back and make necessary changes.